Hello, Chef Marcus Giuliano here, and I'm your chef on a mission. Let's talk business today. Let's answer a comment. I did a video on that. There's no more excuses for not having a website because websites are super easy, cheap, affordable, cookie cutter. There's lots of different ones out there. Weebly, Wix, I mean, you name it. There's tons. GoDaddy has a platforms. So I use Fat Cow. I love Fat Cow, and then I also use Weebly. I use Weebly on Fat Cow. Let's just leave it as I love Fat Cow. Fat Cow's a great host, and Weebly is part of their platform, or you can buy Weebly on itself. So, comment here. Some restaurants are using Facebook as their website. Is that okay? They include contact info with a message on Facebook, etc. So absolutely treat Facebook as a website, but do not use Facebook to replace your website because all of your customers are not on Facebook. So you're excluding now the majority of people are on Facebook, but some people that are on it don't use it that much. And they don't go there, but so they're on their phones Googling for you, and on their smartphone Googling for you, or on a computer somewhere, and they're not thinking about going to Facebook to find you. They're thinking about going to find you on the internet. So whether they're a Facebook user or not, you can be alienating certain people. Plus, you just want to have a website anyway. You want to get your content out there. It's just another avenue to get content out there to people, for people to find you. Facebook has some plugins where you can use like your constant contact, I think, to grab information. But you have so much more versatility with a website. You have more social interaction with Facebook. So those are the two main points to remember: social interaction with Facebook, and more options on a website. So you can grab people in, you can do a calendar of events, you put up your database, you do pop-ups, you can do all kinds of things on there that can help you gather guest information and communicate to guests. So I would say definitely use both in conjunction with each other, but do not use one or the other. And I know there's people out there that have a website that refuse to go on Facebook, and that's also wrong as well, because Facebook is a great social interaction tool, like I mentioned earlier in this video. So you want to interact socially on there. Do not eliminate. You should be listed anywhere there's a free listing. You should be listed. If you're a restaurant, if you're any business, go and search top oil changes in Ulster County. Get your tire change, buy tires in Ulster County, and look where all these listings are, and try to get on those listings. So Yelp's going to pop up, TripAdvisor's going to pop up, Google's going to pop up, and Zomato, and who knows what's going to pop up. All those listings that pop up, make sure you get on those listings. Claim your free business listing with the Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and load it, populate it, put stuff on there, put links to your menu, or use a I mean, it can get very confusing. There can be lots and lots of different websites that you can, platforms you can get on, and then all of a sudden it gets confusing because you didn't update your hours, you didn't change your hours, you didn't change your menu, you didn't change this. There are other platforms, like for restaurateurs, there's a company called Single Platform, which is when I put up a menu on Single Platform, it distributes across the board to every single website out there. So that's the story with that. Use everything you possibly can.